It's a big week for the markets this week. We're in the Fed quiet period, 9 days from a Fed meeting. But we get on Wednesday and Thursday of this week, we get the PPI data. Take note, PPI coming first this week, CPI coming up on Thursday. Now, if you've watched the Schwab Network before, I often say PPI not as important of a number as the CPI. We're going to focus on, I'll give you the PPI numbers first, because that's coming out Wednesday. The expectations for PPI are for month-over-month headline to drop from 0.9% to 0.3%. Month-over-month to stay even at 3.3% for the headline. For the core, again, 9%, 0.9% down to 0.3%. The year-over-year core expecting to go from 3.7 to 3.5%. And the ex-food and energy trade services, 0.3, and they're looking for something around 2.8%. That's important because of then the next day we will get the CPI data, probably the most important look at inflation over a month. And the expectations for that are a bit interesting. The month-over-month headline CPI expected to stay up 0.3%. The year-over-year from 2.7 to 2.9%, actually up 0.2. Watch for prices of food, watch for prices of energy, which ticked up during the first part of the month. Then, core, ex-food and energy, also up 0.3, but expected to stay flat year over year at 3.1%. So, again, I told you, watch food, watch energy, but also take note that crude oil prices have come down since mid-month, and so there may be some stale data in this. Now, remember, these are all the consensus numbers for CPI. If they come in lighter than expected, that will increase the odds of not only a 24 basis point cut, which currently sit at 90%, but it could increase the odds of a 50 basis point cut, which currently sit around 10%. Remember, it was wages in last Friday's non-farm payroll report that dropped from 3.9 to 3.7 on a year-over-year basis. So we'll watch the inflation data that we get on Wednesday and Thursday, and the Fed will make decisions on that for sure.